Please don't disturb her.
Avocado, mayonnaise, what else you got? There's some parsley. Oh, nice. Fish oil.
I got you a bird bath, girl. Look at that big bird bath.
Like flatbread with some sour cream, flour, a little milk in there, and I'm going to use those
You silly girl.
to make my aioli and a little herb salad with the sardines as well. This should come together in the next 5 minutes. It'll very quickly. Nancy, what are you making?
I'm definitely thinking soup.
I'm making egg rock and ramen noodle soup using the imitation crab and the nori from the sushi. These are definitely not the recipes that I want.
That fun, Stella?
I can repurpose just about any food that I've been
Look at your big bird bath, baby.
Imitation crab.
Oh,
Fish sauce. That's the only thing that is seafood related, but
hey.
more seafood.
Was that fun? Look, you have a big bird bath. Look. You have a big bird bath, honey. No, not right now because she's wet. Was that fun? Was that fun? Yeah?